up, guys? It is Jules here. Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be playing Roblox Build a Boat for Treasure. It's a pretty good game. So let's play it. Build a Boat for Treasure. Let's see. Let's play. Oh, 73 gold just for logging in. Anyway, so what we're gonna do is, so disclaimer, this is not my first time playing the game. As you can see, I have a bunch of tools here at the bottom. I think I remember how to play a bit. I haven't played this game in a pretty long while. Years, I think. I don't know. But anyway, let me see if I have any saves. Okay, I have a lot. I just want to see all of them. I want to see all of them. All of the saves I have. Oh. So first, let's start with this. I think this is my flying machine. Hold on, let me get a glue block. I thought this was called butter. Then I found out it's glue. Is it butter or is it glue? I still don't know. So, I think I remember how to do this. Did I have to launch? Or did I have to, like, delete this? I think. Yeah. But anyway, let's just delete all my blocks. So let's look at my other saves that aren't trash. Let me hide the chat real quick. Gigabone. What is this? Is this like a Giga Chat or something? Is this like a Giga Chat, a big Giga Chat statue? Oof. What is this? What is this? What is this, Bill? What is this? Let me get on. Can I use this? You guys can see that I'm clicking on it. Okay. Sorry if you hear my headphones rubbing against my shoulder. Oh, what's this red button do? Duh. Anyway, how do I pull this back? Do I click? Anyway, that's annoying. So let me do. Okay, let's look at some more saves I have. What? Titanic. This is like the first like actual okay boat I built. Titanic. Built this with no tools. I want to color it. Can I color it? I want to color it. First, I'm gonna do some cyan. We're gonna color it ice cream colors. Cyan and pink, ice cream colors. Cyan and pink, ice cream colors. Can't go wrong with cyan and pink. Still my theme colors. Cyan and pinkalicious. Reporting for duty. Cyan and pinkalicious. Yeah, that was a mistake. Yeah, I didn't mean to color like that much. But, can I just swap that back to its original color, please? The bricks are red. Yeah. Nothing happened there, guys. That was nothing. Yeah, that was totally nothing, guys. Ice cream, why are you playing on PC? You normally play on mobile. What if I want to change? Is that alright? What if I want to be a real pro gamer? Is that okay? Like, Donkey dong, cara donkey dong, dong. Hold on, my recording menu is in the way. Microsoft, please put a button to hide the recording menu. Please, Microsoft, I'm begging you. I am literally freaking begging you, Microsoft. Anyway, let's see, what can we load? Human/Mateo. If you guys don't remember Mateo, he was a member of the ice cream gang and still is. He just hasn't been on the channel in a pretty long while. So I think I built this in honor of him being such a big part of the ice cream community. Some of the videos that he's part of he's the boy in the Me When My Sister Is Crying series. He's the brother in Me When My Sister Is Crying. Wait, can this thing fly? I wanna know, can this thing fly? Did I make it so I can fly? Okay. Oh my god, I can fly. Oh my freaking god, I can fly. Well, barely. Let me just put it back. Oh god. Let me just reset. That was a fail. Epic fails of 2023 be like. Yeah. Let's load in the next one. Jet. Did I make a jet? Did I make a jet? Did I make a jet? Oh my god, it's a freaking jet. Oh my god, it's a freaking jet. Oh my god, it's a freaking jet. One sec. Oh my god, it's a freaking jet. Oh my god, it's a freaking jet. Oh my god, it's a freaking jet. Anyway, I like to color the flags whatever team I get, so that people know that it's my team. I wish I could like color like half of this flag blue and another side and another of pink. Because remember, ice cream colors. Anyway, let's hop in. Let's launch, baby, launch. Wait, how do I turn? Oh yeah, it's F. It's F to turn on. It's F to activate anything. F to activate anything. Let me turn 2 off because Lord knows that one of them's gonna run out. Anyway. And you're gonna hear me. For the haters out there saying that I'm cringe, you know, I've made some really cringe. Recently, I was looking at my shorts. No, not my my YouTube short. Not my shorts that are YouTube my short TikTok style videos. Let's say it like that. Short TikTok style videos. Anyway, I was looking at them and a lot of them were cringe, especially the ones from. There was one of them. Whoever gets the remote first, I think I did. What? Is that my boy Brian? That's my boy Brian. My boy Brian joined. My boy. Hold on. I gotta turn my jets off so I can. Yeah, he probably typed slash. What's up? What's up? I'm filming for my man on PC for the first time. I am about to be. I'm about to be. Did he leave? No, he's still in the game. He speaks my language, guys. Don't think it's a bunch of nonsense. He speaks ice cream. He speaks ice cream. Oh, and if you can see the recording menu, too bad. You guys can deal with other creators' cluttered live streams. You can deal with my recording menu. I was busy. I was busy. Should I call you so we can do a call? So we can do a collab? It's not really a collab because he doesn't have a YouTube channel, but okay, I'm gonna call him. Be right back. Let me get my phone, guys. Anyway, let me connect my phone to the charger under my desk. Oh god. Sorry guys, that was just my phone. Not my phone, but my box, because my box to get to all of my things very cluttered. Let me call up my boy now. Let me put him on speaker so you guys can hear him too. Hey, what's up?
Hey.
Say hi to YouTube.
Well, I already know how to say how to say.
Just say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
Okay, just say hi. Say hi. Okay. I was trying to film a build up of a treasure video.
Wait. Is that? No, you did not.
What?
Did you really buy Derek's glasses? No, you didn't.
I thought they looked cool, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I was showing them all of my saves.
Oh, by the way, notice anything different of me?
Oh, you took your custom T-shirt off.
Something different.
Is it?
Well, yeah, I took my custom T-shirt off, but well, I made my own shirt and I'm wearing it right now.
Ah, I thought that was part of a shirt. How did you make it look so good?
This video is sponsored by Custom Use. Not actually, but I don't care. Just, I did this on mobile. Just search up Custom Use in the App Store, and then you could rob a few shirts and then color them and make them look like you actually made them.
Huh?
That's what I did.
Hold on 1 second. We'll be right back.
No, I swear, I didn't actually steal them. No.
How dare you steal? Stealing is bad.
No, I stole it, but then I recolored it. Is that really that bad if I recolored
I'm
it?
pressing WAS and D and it's not letting me turn, but who the hell? You did it. Let's try not to sing any songs we normally do, because I don't know if they're copyrighted or not.
Oh, the one that you were just about to sing is actually copyrighted.
I'm gonna cut that part out.
Okay.
I mean, it's only like a split second, but people will do anything to get 0.1 seconds of their song copyrighted.
Now, come on, bro. I thought I had 5 cakes, but I actually have 3.
You didn't have to.
Wait, cakes. Hey, yo.
Hey, yo. Oh, and the firework and cakes do the exact same thing. No, that wasn't supposed to be sauce. That wasn't supposed to be sauce.
Oh, yeah? Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, I like these ones.
The classic fireworks and the cake do the same
No,
thing.
the red ones are the best. I don't care what anybody says, the red ones are the best.
The red ones are too OP.
Yeah, the red ones make it look really good. The explosion for the red fireworks are...
Hold on, let me just save this, because for some reason I have 3 seats. Please, my PC is gonna explode. My PC is literally gonna explode.
Have you mentioned our channel together to them yet?
No, I have not, mistakenly. So, we have been, the reason the Softie Boys has been delayed, we've been trying to film, but it keeps cutting off our microphone. We have found a solution. We're gonna try and film for the Softie Boys later today, hopefully, right?
Subscribe to rip our words, because we said over like 100 words each.
But
100 words to say isn't that much, but you know what I mean. We talked a lot, and well, they got cut off.
So we got it was an hour and a half long recording.
Yeah.
We lost an hour and a half worth of content.
Yeah.
I'll have a link to the Softie Boys channel down in the description.
But anyway, oh wait, you have your Mac?
Yeah, my Mac isn't working for some reason. I put down.
You realize, like, if only you didn't, like, usually when people play Build-A-Boat, they usually, like, make new boats, but I guess that's fine. I mean, it's
Hold on, let me reload my Mac. I was gonna make a new bot, I was just showing them my saves first.
This is not well.
Wanna know my reaction when I saw you trying to join my team?
What?
I said to the fans, "Yo, is that my boy Bryan? That's the one teaming up with me to release the Softie Boys channel. Let me call him up real quick. Let me get my phone."
Among Us.
Oh, and with my Mac is so OP that it can shoot things out of its body.
What do you mean, so?
That's the self-destruct.
Guys are pretty.
One of your body parts flung all the way to the tree next to spawn.
Yeah, because I exploded of cringe.
You did.
I said exploded of cringe.
So, Bryan, I found a solution to the Softie Boys. Want to know what it is? I just realized I could just film on my PC.
Wow, that's pretty good.
I could just be like, da 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 da.
Your glasses kind of look like blush.
No, they don't.
Like that, your blonde hair that you have right now makes it look like blush.
Okay.
Among.
I have my old avatar and catalog avatar creator. Not sponsored. It's in catalog avatar creator. If you look up ice cream cool, you can find it there.
I'm in blocks. Yes, I'm in blocks. 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 What in the whole entire nation? What? Oh wait, that's the same firework. Oh no. No. They have an idea.
Hold on, let me put down a button.
Too bad, we're doing it right now.
Oh my god, my PC is about to blow up.
Oh my god, I'm about to blow up.
Oh my god, I'm alive.
I blowed up.
Hey, Bryan, come over. I want to show you something. Hold on. So, apparently, I saw this glitch. That if you put down a button, I have a button right there, and then put down a small cannon on top of it, and then a large cannon, like one block above it. You mind getting in the cannon? It's a glitch. Are you ready? Get in the large cannon. Up. Get in the large Get in the...
Whee! I'm flying! Thank you, Julian! I can now fly to the end.
Congratulations!
Yo, I actually made it! I made it!
Wait, I have to test that for myself. I
actually made it.
I have to test that for myself.
But then I died at the rocks.
Okay,
Bruh.
wanna get in our wish rooms?
Wait, I have an idea.
Hold on, I'm gonna color my witch film in the ice cream themed colors, which are cyan and pink.
I'm gonna color my mech in the Softie Boy colors.
I'm gonna color mine in
because I have nothing to do with your channel.
I mean, you were in one of my videos, which they absolutely loved.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
It was like a tower defense game, right?
Yeah, I think it was,
Pretty sure it was like a tower defense game.
It was Tower Defense Simulator, I'm pretty sure.
No, it wasn't Tower Defense Simulator. It was like a tower defense game, but I can't remember the name because the name was kind of cringe and I don't want to remember it.
Cyan and pink. I think pink looks better with this. That looks better. Nah, white. White makes it look modern. White puts it all together. Yeah. Let me save it. Save as which build? For some reason my mic is glitching a bit, but guys, please don't mind that.
Softie boy colors done.
What are the Softie boy colors? 10. And yeah.
10, 9, 8, 7.
Bye-bye, sucker!
Happy New Year!
Bro.
Oh, that's why.
New Year isn't until like epic ice cream big.
I know the New Year isn't until like.
I just jumped out in the musical note section for no reason. I literally didn't mean to do that.
Blue cake.
Oh, you like some cakes? I got a lot of cakes if you wanna come to my place. Ada.
I'm a Softie boy mech.
Hold on.
I can't move. Oh wait, I'm moving. For a second, I couldn't move.
I'm gonna make my mech. What color should I make my mech?
You should make your mech red and cyan.
I'm doing the ice cream color.
Red and cyan.
The ice cream color.
Red and cyan.
Ice cream color.
Red and cyan.
I'm making it ice cream color.
I'm making my mech red and cyan.
I'm making all of my things ice cream colors.
I'm gonna make red and cyan.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Okay, that was starting to get a bit
How many
cringe.
times you want me to say yes?
Too many.
Try to say Among Us is sus 3 times fast.
Among Us is sus.
Among Us is sus. Among Us is sus. Among Us is sus. Among Us is sus.
By the way, your Among Us song that you normally sing is copyrighted by Shiloh and Bros, so don't even try.
Why would I?
You did it.
Be careful with your words, man.
Yeah, I don't want this video to get taken down. The biggest copyright I've ever...
Look, I made my mech red and cyan.
The biggest Hello?
Yeah?
Okay, just making sure your daddy was chill.
I made my mech red and cyan. Do you like it?
Oh my god!
Its name is Among Us.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Hold on, guys. I'll be right back, guys. I know I normally say I'll be right back a lot, but I'll be right back. Okay, Brian? You can talk to the fans. I'll put my mic next to my phone. Talk to the fans while I'm gone.
You always know that thing that goes like Wait, you know what rhymes with we? You know what rhymes with we? TNT. We rhymes with TNT. Yeah, we rhymes with TNT.
But
Where do you go? Oh, you went all the way over there.
I'm back with the cookies.
Cookies? You mean the cookie jar? Did you get it? Did you get the cookie jar at 3 a.m.?
Mm-hmm.
You know what? Hey, Julie, you know what rhymes with we?
Hold on. Let me, TNT!
No, please.
You know what I just did in literally 5 seconds?
What?
Turn shift lock on 58 times. One out of the map 77 times. 8 cookies 80 times.
Guys of cringe.
And the last thing I'm gonna do is blow you up 100 times.
By the way, if you see me and Julian's name, I don't know if he wants you to friend him or something, but please don't friend me. I'm tired.
Don't send me either.
I'm tired of getting all the notifications and feeling bad. Not like answering.
Me too. I've gotten.
Yeah, it just makes me feel bad, even though I know I can't do it. I know I can't do it, and it just makes me feel bad.
I missed.
You know those people who just keep friending you, like trying, asking to friend you when you don't even know them? That's what I'm thinking. If we know you, like if you're a good fan of us, we might even friend you. But just listen up here. We can't friend you because we don't know who you are in real life. And even if you tell us, that's just giving
you know what?
Information, which is not allowed. So
I'm giving you guys until September 30th. I'm on to spam my Roblox notifications. After that's never gonna happen ever again in the Softie Boys history.
And you also know those kind of people who friend you and never come back to Roblox?
Yeah, they're just
they're like, I have achieved my goal of friending every YouTuber on the internet. I shall now leave Roblox for 200 years.
Bye-bye. And then they're just like, bye-bye.
Yeah, and lots of you guys are like,
I
friend lots of people, but then you never come back. Like, when I look at my followers, like, some people follow me for no reason.
Same, bro.
And all of them, I've never seen any of them online.
Yeah.
Never seen one online. And then one of our friends named Lewis, like, sometimes is in Roblox, but lots of times. We know him in real life. He's a good friend of us, but yeah. He doesn't spend much time in Roblox.
Shall we tell them the good news, Brian?
Yeah, sure.
You don't even know it, but
what good news? You did it.
Me and you got in the same class this year.
I know.
You did it.
Why do I keep resetting?
No absolute reason.
Disconnected.
Did you really just get disconnected? But I have a bunch of
disconnected. Wee.
I have an invisible.
Did I just say we? TNT!
What? Oh yay!
Stand on it. I dare you. Wait. I want to get blasted off to the stars again, just like Team Rocket.
Okay.
I want to get blasted off to the stars again.
If you do it with shift lock, it's easier. Please, please.
How about this? This time, let's actually have a pile of TNT, okay?
Okay.
1 second. 1 second. Let me just place all the TNT I have.
Let me place all the TNT I have.
And then, no, not messy, just like have it there.
Hold on, let me place down. Go to button.
I don't know about you, but I'm blasting on.
Oh my god!
Oh!
I blasted it. I blasted into Yellow's base.
Blasted off to the stars again.
I blasted into Yellow's base. Bro.
Blasted off to the stars again.
There's a big noob on Yellow team. I'm chilling in Yellow team's base.
I see you.
You see me? Wait, can you see this? Can you see this?
Bro.
It's like the cringiest amount I have. Come over to me, Daddy.
Okay, I'm gonna come over.
And I'm out of bounds, so I kind of can't build anything to get me out of here.
So reset.
You did it.
Wait, is that copyrighted? Because you know the Galaxy Brain meme?
Oh my god! I reset and I threw my head like 5,000 feet in the air.
Yeah, that happened to me. What? Wait, you know these types of shorts? It's like people like. Okay, I'm gonna place down a button. Wait, place down 2 blocks of wood next to each other.
Okay, hold on. Let me place down 2 blocks of wood. Let me
I've
find.
been doing it myself, but I'm lazy.
Okay, I know you're so lazy. Okay. Boom. Boom.
Okay, you know what? I meant like next to each other, but it's okay. I'm just place it. What in the world? Okay, place a button. You know those types of shorts that are like, press the button if you want one year of your life to be taken away.
Yeah, just like. I'm literally spamming right now. I am spamming my butt off right now.
Yeah.
How do I know who's clicking the button?
Wait, it says on the corner of my screen that I have 1 year left. Wait, I'm gonna press the button.
Hold on, it says I have.
My head got flinged all the way to red team.
Let me try. My head was normal this time. But if you reset while being reset, your head just falls onto the ground. Why am I spamming my escape to my R key? Because you know what that does? It resets your character.
Wait. Is the I word a bad word?
I word? What the?
No, I'm gonna say idiot. Idiot. Yeah, I'm gonna say idiot.
It's not a bad word. We can say it on my channel. Oh, I really thought you were an idiot. But it turns out that I was the one who was an idiot.
Oh.
Let's try and keep this family friendly. It's the place to be. Family friendly is the place for me. Feeling good.
Butter.
Make sure to use star code cream and Make sure to use star code cream and star code Softie when buying Robux or Premium.
Wait, I know what this is. That is not enough butter on skin.
I'm dying, bro. I'm dying.
buy my shirt. Its name is
Bingo. What's his name?
it's called dark red sweatshirt. It's called dark red sweatshirt.
And
every new word, like every word starts with a capital.
hold on.
And sweatshirt has no spaces in it. And if you still can't find it, then just go to Softie Bryan YPX and go to my creations, and it should be there.
Where am I, Brian? I have the best hiding spot in the game.
That's 5 Robux.
I have the best hiding spot in the game.
1 second. Wait, I'm just gonna go over here. I'm gonna be gone for a second. 1 second. Okay? I'm back, Julian.
What's up?
With a weapon.
Oh, hell no! Hold on, Brian. I'll be right back, okay?
It's reloading too long.
Brian, I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys. So I'm muted right now. He cannot hear me. But I am gonna secretly put something. I'm gonna secretly kind of kill him. I'm gonna do something
3 tries.
very secret. You guys might.
We having some fun. Oh no. No.
Does he know that
Do it. We does not rhyme with TNT. Please. We does not rhyme with TNT.
Okay, that didn't.
A switch? Seriously?
Okay, that didn't really work. I was trying to pull a prank. I muted my mic for you. I muted my mic on the phone call settings, and I was telling them that I was gonna prank you, but it didn't go so well. Oh, I really thought you were an idiot.
Oh, wait, no, that didn't work. Quick, launch.
Oh, you.
I have one too.
Ah!
You really thought I didn't have one?
Oh, I really thought you were in it.
No, wait for me.
Ah! Let me out.
Imagine exploding yourself. No, please.
No, don't kill me. Daddy, please. I'm alive somehow.
I can't. No. Quick. I made it with.
Come here.
I'm not even joking. I'm alive. Look at my health.
Okay.
I'm alive with 1 HP.
How?
I'm not even.
Ah!
Yeah.
PvP.
Oh, want to know how I survived?
How?
You know how when you launch, it like pushes you really back?
Yeah.
You flamed me all the way to yellow spawn. Now I have to walk all the way to you? That's it. It's time to get cool with it.
Oh, hell no.
It missed by an inch.
Oh, one thing about me, I'm the baddest alive. Hold on. Well, give me 1 sec. Okay. So guys, he doesn't know, but I have one of those too.
I'm cool, guy. I like to explode.
So Brian, you know how I reset and it took away my thing? You know how I reset and it took away my thing?
Yeah?
You mind giving me a new one, please?
Took away what thing?
My PvP thing, so we can PvP. Do you mind giving me a new one? Please.
Wait, was that a question?
Yeah.
Do I mind?
No, can you? Can you please give me a new one? Hold on one second. You didn't know I had one already, stupid!
It pushes you back.
Yeah.
How is that possible? Wait, wings. I need wings. I need some wings. There we go. Wings for myself. And you have a jetpack, so you can't go as high as me. I could go limited heights.
Oh, really? You could go unlimited?
What? Did you know that these things are controlled by gravity? So that means I can launch, and it will hit you if I hit it at the right angle.
Oh, really?
It's still possible to hit you. And it also pushes me back.
Oh.
So if I need to dodge something, it will be simple.
One thing I have to tell you is my name is Butterhead.
It exploded.
My name is Butterhead.
Your name is Butterhead?
Yeah, look.
Because your head is made out of butter, and it will explode. How did that miss? That missed by 100 inches, even though it was pointing towards you. I see you. I'm going to meet you at yellow team.
Okay. One of my body parts literally just came out of the ground.
What?
Hold on. You don't know I know this trick. He doesn't know I know this trick.
Oh, yeah?
Let me get all my battle things.
Come on. I wasn't able to grab one of them. Don't shoot me, please. Please, I don't have anything to defend with. Time to clutch.
He doesn't know I know this trick.
It's time to clutch, please.
He doesn't know I know this trick.
Time to clutch.
He doesn't know I know this trick. It's a freaking robbery! Put your hands up!
Boom! Bruh, how did that miss? Boom! Boom! How do I keep missing? And why do you... Never mind.
Why is it not letting me do anything? I can't put my transparency up.
Why do you want your transparency?
So I can do this. Bill, hold on, my game is glitching.
Oh yeah, your game is glitching, alright. The cannon literally hit this, and it went flying up. Where's that thing gonna land? Oh,